Hey everyone, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and today I'm going to show you how to turn your favorite couple photos into something magical using MockoFun's new AI photo filters. To start, just upload your photo and click on the AI Edit button on the right-hand side. MockoFun has multiple AI models like Nano Banana and others to edit photos with text instructions. But for this tutorial, I will use the preset Valentine's Day AI filters. As you can see, there are many options to choose from. Let's try the snow globe effect. With just one click, the AI transforms the photo into a beautiful 3D style romantic snow globe. You can edit the resulting image further by using the text prompt box to customize the message at the bottom. Let's change it to Tom and Olivia 2026. Click Generate and MockoFun edits the text in the photo as instructed. It's that simple to create a personalized gift. Here's another example using a different input photo. Let's try a different photo. MockoFun works with any image, even a low-quality phone selfies. That said, higher quality photos help the model preserve facial features better. Now, which filter should I choose next? I'll click on the filter preset called Love Fairy Tale. This creates a beautiful, colorful setup with a nice flower setup in the background. This is the kind of photo edit that would take hours and hours to create in Photoshop, but with MockoFun, it just takes one click. I'll go back to the original photo. By the way, when you make a change, you can always go back using the undo button at the bottom left of the screen. Let's go with something more refined. The Heart of Roses filter is perfect. See how the AI transforms a simple brick background into a stunning, dreamy floral archway. It completely shifts the mood, making the photo look like a professional wedding portrait in seconds. AI image editing is improving every day, and MockoFun offers some of the best AI models for creating images, even images containing with clear text messages. For example, the Love Story AI filter preset creates a photo booth style image with the text Our Love Story and a couple holding a plush heart cushion. Here are some examples generated with other input images. As you can see, the output varies slightly while keeping the same love vibe. You can easily crop your photo by clicking the crop button in the top menu. AI filters work on photos of any size. Here, I rasterize the image to apply the crop, then use trim to content so the image fills the entire canvas. By now, you probably get the idea and are curious to see what MockoFun can create from your photos. AI filters are available to all users with monthly free credits, and you can also buy extra credits. Stay until the end of the video to decide which filters you want to try. The Love Display filter places the couple on a stage with heart-shaped decorations in the background. Probably one of my favorite Valentine's Day photo filters is the Love Doll filter. It transforms couples into doll-sized versions, neatly packaged in a cute box. The Valentine's Day photo booth filter creates an effect that's perfect for scrapbooking. This MockoFun workflow is simple and delivers great results. Just upload your photo, click AI Edit and choose a filter. Here's an example showing a couple holding a heart-shaped foil balloon. MockoFun excels at realistic photo effects, but it also creates stunning cartoon and digital painting styles. Try the Funny Love Scene preset. It's perfect for making adorable pet photos too. The Be My Valentine preset is a photo studio style effect you can apply at home with just one click. No professional studio needed. Hope you enjoyed exploring these Valentine's Day filters. Now you have no excuse not to create a beautiful gift for your loved one. Remember to like, subscribe, and join us for the next tutorial.